Install, update signatures, and configure clamav, the free and open-source antivirus. Why clamav? Clamav is the ideal choice when you want a free, open-source antivirus fully integrable into MODICIA OS systems. It is not designed as a heavy suite, but as a reliable, modular, and easily automatable scanning engine. It is perfect for workstations, servers, and mixed environments where files circulate from Windows, macOS, or less experienced users. clamav is useful because it is open source, protects against cross-platform malware, detects Trojans, infected macros, malicious scripts, rootkits, and infected Windows files you might forward to others. It is lightweight and non-intrusive. You can use it only when needed or activate the daemon for continuous scans. It integrates perfectly with MODICIA OS, works well with systemd, cron, mail servers, NAS, and build pipelines. Frequent updates. Signatures are updated several times a day thanks to the community and Cisco Telos support. Open a terminal and paste in sequence. Sudo apt update and press enter sudo apt install. clamav-daemon clamav-freshclam and press enter. Once the installation is complete, update the database, stop the automatic service, open a terminal and paste. Sudo systemctl stop clamav-freshclam and press enter. Now run the manual update paste. Sudo freshclam and press enter. If you receive a locked error, it means the system is already downloading updates in the background. Wait a minute and try again. Re-enable the service for the future paste. Sudo systemctl start clamav-freshclam and press enter. Now enable the service at system startup. Paste in sequence. Sudo systemctl enable clamav-freshclam sudo systemctl enable and press enter. Once the system has restarted, configure the graphical interface, ClamTK, after opening it. I recommend making these two immediate changes. Settings. Select scan files beginning with a dotfiles and scan files larger than 20 megabytes. Scheduler. Set a daily scan of your home folder. That's all for today. Good work with MODICIA OS.